Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe. Yeah man guys, look what I get. It's a nice jackfruit. Who know me know say yo, when it come to fruits, I'm gonna play. So my shell is right about now. Yeah man, and so you see them here. I already eat piece on last night. I put the remainder see them not this and I go deep fry them. So I can definitely look out for that. And I think I'm gonna boil it because a long time I eat boil jackfruit seed and you see them or I'm gonna fry it at the first time. I'm gonna try it that way, you know. So when you can look out for that also. Yeah. When I don't know my thing already, I try something new. Always I run some farm experiment. Yeah man. When you do like me, you can't get bored in the kitchen or you can't get tired of one thing. Cause I always try something new. Yeah man guys, so my shell on it now. That is it. What I'm gonna give me people who don't know my deal in a video already, you know? Fried jackfruit seed. Jackfruit seed can boil, it can roast, and also can curry. Me eat the boiled one already, me eat the roast one already, but me never eat the curry one. But them 3 ways there are ways that people know about already. Right? Me I say, yo, me need to call something out of the norm, right? So alright. And if you can fry, so I go on YouTube now and type it in, right? Me some people do it. Some white people. But I don't like how they do it. All they do, them just throw an oil and fry. I said, no sir. After I come with my twist to it. My difference to it. I said, alright. I can make a butter, dip it in the flour it and fry it. You don't know, so that's what I do. So I'm reach. I'm check if I could do that, guys. Give me the like them and share it out. And make sure say leave a comment and tell me what you think about this idea. Yeah man, and subscribe to the channel also if you're new. For a long time, thanks for the support, you know. Respect the support and love the support. I'm grateful if you all who click on the video and show support. Yeah man, so come again guys. Yeah man guys, so that's everything I'm gonna use today, you know. You can see potato here more fried too. Oil, black pepper, and season this show no. Yeah man, so this a Maggi season. Me have cayenne pepper night, celery and onion powder. Yeah. Like that. And then the flour on one go the plate. And see now this one I have 2 egg and the seed the jackfruit seed. Yeah. So I'm a meat board and my knife. Wrap up in a dish too, you don't know because I can't bring them police there. If they stop me and thing and see the knife just naked like that. So wrap it up. Yeah man, so first I'm gonna catch a fire and all that. So catch fire time now guys. Soon checking back to the know. When the fire don't catch and all that. So guys, I'm gonna boil the seed in first. You know, I'm gonna boil them first. So let's see if we wash them out little first. Guys, everybody always say I get the recipe here from, but anything come to mind, I just do it. Yeah man, so when that cook now guys, checking if I could know, I couldn't know what go on.
Relationships are not successful these days. We tend to use sex to determine.
Yeah man guys, so see it here? That is it. Little black pepper. Alright, my leave some of my season guys. Put throw on the flour. That is it. Cyrus, I got my flour. Stir out. So now the jackfruit seed they must done boil by now. Yeah man guys, so what I'm going here now, I'm cleaning up the jackfruit seed and link them back. So basically what I'm do just pick off the brown part and just cut it up, you see me? Cut it each seed in half. Yeah man, some soon come. Yeah man guys, so see what we did so far already there. So we just eat a cut in the middle. Right? And we just take off little outer layer and then good. Yeah man, this and the good. Like something here, cause that can't eat. And the basically good. But it take a time to clean up, you know guys. Take a time. Maybe say you can boil soup also, you know, so we can get some more and try the soup. Yeah man. Everything into the pot now. All the here too. So flour time now guys. Yeah man guys, so when you see me put in the jackfruit seed and 3 pieces of the so not and 3 pieces of the sweet potato in the pot. So when time I done fry everything and all that, I check in back with you know and show you what I go on and tell you how it tastes, you see me? Go you know, a review upon it and see if I eat it again and everything, you see me? So I soon come back guys, so stay tuned. Now make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think it can taste like, you see me? And tell me if you know about the style with the jackfruit seed. The sweet potato, yeah man, everybody's supposed to know that we are fried sweet potato. So I'm so come back guys. Yeah man guys, see that guys. Them fry too much though. Yeah man guys, I start taste the seed already, but boy tough. It get tough. It don't taste bad in the bud. It get tough. Some boil you can see when we boil it, you know that tough, but it's tough, see me? Or fry too much. Maybe That's why. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, man, guys, some taste the boiled one, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, so my head home, you know. Yeah, man. Me definitely I'll try about the jackfruit seed here again, you know, the fried jackfruit seed. I think fry it too long, it's like get tough. You them cook it, yeah, man, fry it too long. But I just say go still, I'm gonna dip back next time. So remember, give it a like and a comment and tell me what you think about this the idea me do. And follow me on Instagram, Tape876 and Yaad Adventures. The link for the page then down below in the description. So just scroll down, click it and give me a follow. Yeah, man, and make sure you subscribe and share it out. Show somebody that video here and make sure them subscribe also. So look more.